Hello everybody. It just stopped raining and now you see water going down a storm drain. And you might say something like, so what? It's just water, it's not dangerous. Wrong. Did you know that our lakes, rivers, streams, estuaries, and oceans are most likely on the line right now? No? Well then listen up because this is important information every citizen should know about. All the leftover water from this weather runs on impervious surfaces, like parking lots and roads, surfaces where it can't soak in. Then it all goes down the nearest storm drain, which leads right to your local water body. Not so bad, right? Wrong! When this water goes down the street and goes down the nearest water body on the other side of the storm drain, it takes all kinds of gross pollutants with it. It's scary to know that runoff isn't a rare thing in Portland. Runoff is actually a pretty common thing that happens here. This is because nearly around 50% of Portland's surfaces are impervious. Therefore, runoff can't soak in like it does in dirt, sand, and gravel. It just goes down the storm drain. One of these pollutants that stormwater runoff takes are toxins. Toxins are substances that come from chemicals like oil and antifreeze, both of which are toxic to people and pets. Toxins also come from dangerous chemicals like pesticides and herbicides that you put on your lawn to kill bugs and make your plants grow more. Toxins getting into your water isn't good because this can cause biomagnification. Biomagnification is when toxins get into a body of water and cause problems in the food chain. Biomagnification is basically when one bug, like a mayfly, absorbs a toxin, then a small fish, like a bluegill, comes and eats that mayfly. Next, a larger fish, like a bass, comes and eats that bluegill. Next, the thing on the top of the food chain, like a human, comes and eats that bass. Now the human has all of the toxins from the previous animals in their body. Plus, toxins can also hurt fish and other water animals. I know, you may not care, but just think of the fact that you probably eat the fish that come from your local water body. Ew! Can you even imagine all of the pesticides and herbicides that are concentrated in the bodies of fish that you're eating? Plus, even if the fish that die off aren't the ones that we eat, the ones that we don't eat were probably their food source, and if they die, they're gonna die too, because their food source would be gone. Also, just think about the beaches. They would all be closed because the toxins in the water would be too dangerous for human contact. And I don't know about you, but I love going to the beach in the summertime, and I will cry if all the beaches closed. Also, just think of your local water body. It's part of a watershed. A watershed is a bunch of bodies of water that connect to other bodies of water. And guess what? We all live in a watershed. So no matter if you live near Sebago Lake, Old Orchard Beach, or the Hudson River, that water body connects to other bodies of water. And what you do in your body of water affects the other body of water, and that one affects the other one. You see what's happening here? It's a chain reaction. Now, did you know that you can help prevent stormwater runoff? You can help by planting rain gardens and installing rain barrels. These both catch rain and prevent it from going down the street and going down the storm drains. Another thing you can do to help is by fixing your car if it's leaking, cleaning up oil spills, and only using a little pesticides and herbicides. Pesticides and herbicides are very dangerous to the earth, people, and animals, so try not to use them unless you must. Finally, you can also help by making less impervious surfaces. This means less pavement and more gravel and dirt. So when runoff goes down the street, it won't just go down the storm drain, it'll soak in. Goodbye for now, but don't forget, the earth and toxins don't mix.